I get stressed out when I feel like I don't have enough time to study for my exams and I'm studying late into the night. And that affects my health because I don't get enough sleep and I start getting sick, and that's just not good.
Stress is one of the biggest components and contributors to ill health. What stress does do, if it's chronic and prolonged, it actually reduces your immune system ability to deal with things like tumors and viruses. And so when you are stressed, particularly over a prolonged time, your immune system ability to deal with things in your body that should not be there is dramatically reduced.
Public health is not just about medicine. It is about the whole person, body, mind, and spirit. So what do we mean when we say student stress? Stress is a concept used to describe anything that has a negative impact on a person's emotional or mental well-being. Students are under more stress than most. The number of people applying to college increases every year, and once you're in, the stress doesn't stop. Students have to get top grades to maintain scholarships, get accepted to graduate school, or even just get recommendations.
Between work and school and the pressure to succeed, many students are struggling, sometimes with tragic consequences. Joanna Remiliotis spoke to students about the challenges they face.
Queen's University in Kingston, Ontario. The first semester is over, the campus seems quiet, but the race is just beginning.
Sort of a feeling of a constant drone, that it's like there's a constant pressure. And I woke up this morning in like this panic.
It's exam time, a time when there never seems to be enough time, and when the line between stress and sickness begins to blur. Nick Francis is in his fourth year of politics and economics. He got into one of the country's top universities with big ambitions, so big, in his second year he developed a full-blown anxiety disorder trying to keep up to them.
And I dug in way too far and took on everything I possibly could. So it was mostly self-inflicted.
Like most young people, Francis suffered in silence and just kept cramming in a lot, trying to fit in even more. He has a full course load and works as the university rector, or student representative.
Yeah, it's pretty hectic. I mean, the second I get here, I just go until the evening, until night. There's some days where I'll get here at first thing in the morning, and I won't be done until 2 a.m. I just constantly.
Studying fit in?
It fits in wherever I can find a break.
But finding a break seems to be getting harder. Across the country, university health centers are reporting a staggering increase in students asking for help and hitting a crisis point, something this university knows all too well.
So what is being done to combat stress? Universities are providing counseling programs and getting the word out there about the importance of mental health. And the Affordable Care Act, just passed by President Obama, is expanding mental health benefits as well as creating school-based clinics to treat illnesses that can be caused by or cause stress. So what more should we do? There is scientific evidence to prove that meditation practice decreases the impact of stress. Providing meditation classes in school throughout the semester could teach students to cope with stress better. The most important thing is getting the word out there about the importance of emotional and mental health. Schools and universities should encourage students to speak to the counselors on staff about their stress in order to build a better life for themselves and change the assumption that school has to be stressful.